You are enough knowledgeable. You are working for clients online. You have a business of your own. Now the main issue is that how to collect money from my perspective. How to collect the money safely from my perspective, how instantly the money will be credited to my bank account. Everything will be sorted out. The India's one of the number one payment gateway, that is Paycon payment gateway. I will tell you more about this. I will tell you the advantage of Paycon payment gateway compared to other payment gateway in this video. Stay tuned to the end of the video. In market there are several payment gateways, but why I am emphasizing on Paycon payment gateway? Recently I have worked for multiple projects. In multiple projects my client wanted to install Paycon payment gateway. I installed it and my final experience was really awesome. The transaction charges of Paycon is negligible compared to other payment gateway. Nowadays, due to India-China controversy, everyone wants to be safe. The payment gateway should be purely Indian. Paycon is purely Indian payment gateway. I personally noticed the main important point of Paycon payment gateway is that client sent me money, I received it immediately without a delay. But nowadays what happens, payment gateways like other payment gateway, they keep your money in their wallet or in their pocket for 2 or 3 days. In the meanwhile 2-3 days they take interest and they earn from there, but Paycon does not do that. Other advantage I will list out. You can install the payment gateway to collect money from your perspective in your Android app, in your iOS app, in your website, or if you don't have anything, you want to collect money through WhatsApp or through Facebook, you can do that easily. You can generate a payment link. Like if I want to collect 500 rupees, I will generate a payment link of 500 rupees. I can make it private, I can make it public. Private means only one person can access that and one person can send me 500 rupees, or else I can make it public to my Facebook profile, to my Facebook post, to my Instagram post, to my Twitter post. I can post that so multiple person can click that link and pay the 500 rupees. Like this is a payment link, you can use that. If you don't have any infrastructure, any IT infrastructure you have, you can simply generate a payment link and share over WhatsApp, share over Facebook, share over Instagram. If you have any doubts, you have difficulties while opening an account, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will eagerly help you for that. Now how can you create an account over Paycon payment gateway? It's simple. Visit to their website paycon.com. I will link that on my description also. After visiting, simply you sign up with a free account and start receiving your payment. After signing up, you need to verify your information like your ID, mobile number, password. Then you need to put your KYC documents. After you do that, immediately your account will be activated. Now immediately you will be ready to collect money online. Whatever money you will be collecting, that money instantly you will get notification, and in the dashboard of Paycon payment gateway you can see that at what date, at which month, how many income you have generated. A list of database will be maintained over there. Remember that the data is purely secure over there. This kind of videos are very much knowledgeable for you. You can stay subscribed to my channel. I will make a dedicated how to install Paycon payment gateway. I will make a dedicated video for that. You can stay subscribed to my channel to get videos like this. Hope this video is helpful for you. Right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.